Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. The wounded civilian, they talk about Captain Osa and the people where they call him great son of Edo. He don't ask these people where they call Captain Osa great son of Edo. He dey ask them where they where Adam Soshomole they insult Igbenedion, the Esama of Benin. So make I leave you now with the wounded civilian. Make you hear a message where get for all these people where they praise Captain Osa. They use the name till they sing music.
It is what you sow in life, you reap. What you sow is what you reap. Erako Aro. You see, this coming election, even though, for instance, God forbid that Obaseki lose, I will forever be proud for supporting Obaseki because it is the right thing to me to do now. You see what Desmond Elliott, I have made a video about him a few hours ago. You see the way he was talking. Because this program really is for the adults, See how he was talking, trying to sell Godfatherism, try to justify the Godfatherism. People, Nigerians said it is not good. Even in Benin, the Oshomoles, they are all denying it because Oshomole himself led revolution against political Godfatherism. The Oshomole, they are even denying it in Benin. APC followers, they are all denying it's not about Godfatherism. But Desmond Elliott think he can come to Edo and begin to justify it and begin to sell it. So I think he have made the greatest mistake of his life because really, whatever you do in politics, it will affect you. It will affect you. You are happy now. You are under Tinubu's canopy. You are there enjoying his, because you make it clear Tinubu is the one that made him, He's so happy, These are the kind of people we think that can spark change. In a country where we have people like Moyele Sowore, have to at least. How can we have somebody like Desmond Elliott reasoning like somebody, I don't know. You see, this kind of people is what we call educated illiterates. You understand me? We call them, who is this IPOB idiot? I said this program is not for you IPOB pigs now. What are you doing here? So I blocked that idiot. You don't come. Today is not for nonsense. We are talking about our Edo people. Don't come here with this your Onyamiri kind of language, You can't tolerate that. If you do it, you'll be kicked out. You'll be blocked. Just like I just blocked this idiot. So Desmond Elliott, it's a disgrace. I am making this video not because of all these things Captain Osa said, but because of when that statement that he will do everything, will spend his last kobo to remove Obaseki. That's the reason I'm here. You see, that's the reason why I play Osai music. Go there. But in Nigeria, some politicians think ego is everything. Money is everything. But money is not everything. There are some certain things you can buy with money. Ego. So that is the reason why we are making this video, is to let these people know. Ego. The revolution everybody's talking about is going to start in Edo. Edo is going to do something that will make the rest states rise up and say enough is enough, especially Lagos, and wipe away these political miscreants, people like Desmond Elliot. Teach these people a lesson who think one man have the right to decide the fate of a whole state, decide the fate of millions. Edo is going to prove to the rest states that it can be possible. You can stand against these people. We did it before in 2017. We wipe away all those political godfathers, them and nanny. We retired them all. And we are going to do the same again. Edo is Siagbon. If you want change, change will start from Edo. Edo is Siagbon. Edo is Siagbon. Edo is not just the center of, if you look at Edo, is the center of Nigeria stuff. Edo is not just the center, but the center of Africa. Look at the map of Africa. Look at Edo. Edo or Isiagbon. We are going to prove to these people. there. So we'll be analyzing his video. Yes, we'll be analyzing his video. But before we start, let me talk to Akobeyan. When I tell you, Baba, tell it, when I was aim not cover Bona. Somebody said it is politics. Really, it is politics. The right of everybody to support whoever normally like, support whoever you like. That right must be given to everybody. Campaign, if you are supporting APC, you have the reason why. Those are supporting PDP, you have the reason why. Some people are supporting PDP today, not because of the political party, but because of the person. Some people are supporting APC, not because of the political party. It is because of because of Ize Yamu in APC. You'll be surprised his fans were with him when he was a PDP member. They followed him to APC. So give everybody the right to exercise his right. It's your right. But at the same time, as they play politics, we will join them and play politics. You see, when Captain Osa start to behave as if he's the one that is contesting this election, start to involve, start to, let's say, Oga, I won't say you are fooling yourself. As an elderly man, I also still give you that respect. Edo begin to criticize him. People begin to talk about him. That's politics. If you don't like the heat, cannot take the heat, get out of the kitchen. My father, my late father, he said one thing. He will support whoever that comes to him. But for him to rubbish himself with politics, he said no. And you know, when he was still in his 60s, look at Igbinedion, the same thing. When Abiola, all of them, died because of power, Igbinedion said, you have made it in life. What are you doing all these things for? What did you really want? They want your money, use it to help. Don't wait for government. If you are a millionaire, if you are a billionaire, use the money to help the people. Contribute. That's why Igbinedion Esama never run for any political party, but sponsor his children. Captain Osa, Oga Captain Osa, they said you are a billionaire. What is your business with who win Edo State governor, who will not win, who will be the governor? That is to show you are doing something that is illegal. And you always want the government, the kind of governor that will cover you. That is what all these things is all about. It is greed. It is selfishness. You are not fighting for the Edos. You are fighting for your own selfish interest. By saying you will spend your last kobo to make sure you remove. Edo is not one man property. You see the reason why people like us say no. We will stand and defend Obaseki. Because we have been here, we did not walk under Lucky Igbinedion. We were already here. We did not walk under Ashomole. We were here. We will suffer here and send the money home to assist our family, assist people outside. We are not even working under Obaseki, but we are still living. But Edo is for everybody. You set of criminals, miscreants, thugs like Den Kabaka and the rest. You work under Lucky. It's not enough. You celebrated 1 billion the other day. It's not enough. You work under Ashomole. If you don't work under Obaseki, then we will destroy those states. You see the reason why people like us say no. Even though if Obaseki, God forbid, I will be forever be proud that I choose the side of Obaseki. I choose. Look, Emata, you do yata. Uga gbiku gwemata. Ugbiku gwemata. Eden mosa no boga robe dokba. O sa no boga la dokba biku ni okbi yamata egbere. Amata edo alogo. You can cover the truth. It's for a while. If you try it, it's for a while. The truth will come out. That is the reason why those who say they don't believe in God, that's why I pity them. Everything that have beginning have the end. There is God. It's only a fool who will say there is no God. But there is God. You see, Akobegian came out the other. Akobegian is my friend. Akobegian is my friend. I'm coming. My very good friend. I'm coming. My very good friend. Akobegian. Oh, this is when at my father's funeral. This is Akobegian. Me and Akobegian when he was performing at my father's funeral, you see. So it's my friend, it's my very good friend. My very good friend. At least once in a month we must call each other. He's a good guy, It's a family friend, you know. But I will always say the truth. I will always say the truth. You see, this same Akobegian came out the other day and say, how can you be scandalizing the name of Edo great sons and daughters because of politics? It's not fair. He said, you can come out. What do aria enie do? Emanu na agma. Emane no ekinedu ya yo na aria yani. That is what Akobegian said. And people were clapping for him. I said, no. You are deceiving the people like that, my brother. You were in that Edo when Osomole were insulting a Sama of Benin. You did not come out. You did not come out and tell him you are insulting Edo great son. You were that in Benin when he was insulting people, great people. Is Captain Osa greater than Esama? The point at one company belongs to Captain Osa in Benin, where people work. I don't talk about Igbinedion children now. Talk about the Esama to boy. He have contributed his own quota. Igbinedion Warren. You like Igbinedion, you don't like Igbinedion. Nobody is perfect in life. You think everybody is come to this life and be perfect? No, nobody is perfect in life. But Igbinedion have tried. Igbinedion have tried. Esama Metana, Esama have tried. You still have companies where people work today in Edo. Nobody give him accolade. Nobody give him and say, Baba, where we are, Edo. This is a man. He have not been president. So you won't say he embezzled government money. He have never been governor. He have never been a senator. So you respect people like that. I know sometimes before you become rich, you must do one thing or, you know, but he have never been governor. So there is nothing you can say, oh, it's our money. Is Captain Osa greater than people like that? You people did not attack Osomole then when he was insulting. When he was insulting Edo great son. But when it comes to Captain Osa, because he can spray money, can give you people money whenever he call you to come and play for him. Then he's not Edo great son. No, that is the reason why people like us, people don't like us. When I tell you something, it's not because I want to lie to you, even though if the thing is not correct. It is what I feel. That's why people don't follow us. People don't like us. If you treat Jonathan, if you insult Jonathan because he increased fuel to 87 or 97, if you insult Jonathan, no problem. But there is another president who was encouraging you to insult Jonathan. He have increased it to 165. And when people talk, you see be attacking these people. You should no. You see, because Jonathan is from South, you should treat everybody the same. This man, Oshomole, insulted Edo great sons like Igbenedion. I just use Igbenedion for example. Nobody fight him, nobody insult him, nobody kill him. But when it comes, it is now, the table have turned now. Oh, it is no longer acceptable because he insult the one you like. This man, Captain Osa, and Esama, which one is more important or useful? Let me use that word, sorry, to Edos. Emata, okay, Emata, that is the reason why all this celebrity, he came here. The same Nowamagbe that is singing now, I said it, I've been saying it here. The same Nowamagbe that is singing now at my father's funeral. When Izeyamu came, he stopped the music. He said he don't play for characters like Izeyamu. This 7 months ago. The same Nowamagbe, I've been saying it here now. Also, I don't trust these people. These people, now where money they then go. Where money they, now then they go. He said he don't play for characters like Izeyamu, that is a criminal. Izeyamu must leave before he off the music. He off everything. But after 6 months, you are the one now campaigning. So you want to tell me you did Edo well Umala Lubo? You want to tell me? Okay, come on. I will see. I will tell him. What you deny, my brother? But it is the game. Where you walk is where you eat. But not come and be claiming scent. People are just it is you make it clear. Say you want to chop, you don't want to work for an arrogant. That is what I'm talking about. Today is about Captain Osa. Oga Captain Osa. Can't you see Captain Osa? They call him Edo billionaire. Captain Osa is a big man. When I say big man, I'm not talking about the money. I'm talking about his passion. But looking at him, you will know that man might be sick. Go and treat yourself. Go to hospital if you are sick. Don't tell me it is this Obaseki matter that is making you reducing every day. You look sick. Captain Osa, you are a do man or tima a baba okay. Me forget about these people. Let who the cap fit wear it. Go and take care of yourself. We just lost a few months ago. We lost another Edo billionaire. Osawaru. Engineer Osawaru, a billionaire. We lost him in Edo. It was a great loss. They said almost 5,000 people working for that man in Ghana, in America, or workers, over 5,000 workers all over the world. Edo man, the burial was, isn't it last month? Engineer Osawaru. A great loss. So we don't need that kind of a thing now. Mr. or Chief or Captain Osa, please. Captain Osa Okumbo. Forget these people. And you know, go and take care of it. You look sick. Look, what you are doing now, you are too big for this, honestly. You are too big for this. Forget about these people. You are not a politician. Don't let these people use you against another Edo son. Oshomole is to divide Edo. He have done it 8 years. He have done it 8 years. Go and take care of yourself. You said all these things Obaseki is doing is not on ground. That you are not saying it. Maybe because, sir, you are looking sick. Maybe your health is affecting your sight somehow. That is the reason why you will come out and say you are not saying it. The pensioners are getting paid. They are getting paid when due. Is that on paper? Oga Captain Osa? They pay pensioner in time now. Pensioner that used to protest during Oshomole's time, they'll be protesting. You will send police after them. Ever since Governor Obaseki took over power, ever since 2016, there were a pensioner no longer protest in Edo. We all know. It is not, I am not the one making this up. We all know pensioner, they always protest in Edo that you don't pay them their money. They will stay in, they will be inside hot sun, they will be dead in the night. Some of them will be crying, begging for money to return back home. Some of them that live in the village, they no longer protest. Is that on paper alone? Is that on paper? Because you said it is on paper. All those things we are saying that Obaseki is doing in Edo, you said it's only on paper, it's not on ground. The pensioner they are paying now, is it only on paper? Agberus Kabaka and his gangs. Kabaka and his gangs, they are off the street. Is it only on paper? That one is very clear. People sometimes that is not even related to Kabaka. They will they will even write the name of Kabaka and say, some will say I am Kabaka's sister, so that police will not trouble them. Kabaka was completely in charge when Agberu is concerned. He was completely in charge. They are off the street. They are off the street. We all can see it. Is that only on paper? Is that only on paper? You said all these things we are saying, those good things Obaseki is doing, we are saying Obaseki is doing. You said it's only on paper. Agberus are crying. Kabaka and his gangs, they are all crying now. We all are seeing what Obaseki is doing. We all are seeing what Obaseki is doing. Edo Best is on paper. Edo Best. Edo Best is on paper. The Lagos state government, they want to copy from Obaseki. The Lagos state government. Obaseki bribed the Lagos state governor to say that. The Lagos state governor said he will copy what he's going to follow the footsteps of Obaseki. He said it on national television. I said, Biku, Amata, you can't cover the truth. If you try to be for a while, the truth will come out. You can't cover the truth, it will come out. Lagos state government, they said they are going to copy Obaseki. So you can't call that. You can't say it's only on paper. We all are saying it. CDA no longer terrorize our people. In Benin then, CDA people. When you want to buy land, you will pay. The day you start building, you will pay. The day you lay foundation, you will pay. The day you will roof your house, you will pay. To the extent the day you started cooking in that house, you will pay. Killing themselves, killing people. People were crying, how are they going to stop these things? To the extent the king said, the king laid a curse on it. Whoever will do that kind of a thing again. This governor came and said, enough is enough. You don't want that again. If you can buy land, go and build. Don't stop terrorizing people. Especially those in diaspora. Afraid you will buy land 3-4 times. This governor came and said, no, enough is enough. Is that only on paper? Is that only on paper, Mr. Captain? Obaseki is not the project. Obaseki is the revolution. Obaseki is the revolution. This story, we will tell our children. This story, Edo story. If God say yes, nobody can say no. If God win that day, on the 19th of September, God win that day. My look, you will see celebration then in Edo. I swear, you will see celebration in Edo. It will be like a wake-up call to all Nigerians. Don't bow for these those political godfathers. You can defeat them. You can defeat them. You can defeat them. If Edo don't like Obaseki, let Edo decide. Tell me what the former governor who ruled Edo for 8 years is jumping about, kneeling down everywhere. You try to remove somebody. You remove him. You kick him out of APC. You could not even wait for him to go to primary. Leave him, you will not leave him. You kick him out of your political party. Let him go to other political party and try his luck. Still, Oshiomhole will not. You yourself, as you are trying to remove Obaseki from office, you were disgraced out of office. Because it is even the northern politicians that were fighting Oshiomhole. You were disgraced out of office. You said you want to kill somebody. You want to kick Obaseki out. You could not even wait for the leading political party to choose their candidate first. You were so stupid and foolish. Atuagbo man. My enemy, that is the reason. That is what I keep telling all these IPOB miscreants. The hatred, Efulani, Buhari. If you are too, if you just want your enemy to die, they must die. Sometimes you will die with them. You will even die before them. Take it easy. You are trying to remove somebody, then they remove you. You are nothing now. For these people to have for them in Aso Rock, your slave master in Aso Rock, to regard you again, that yes, you still have power in Edo, is for you to do everything necessary to win, to kick Obaseki out. That is the only opportunity you have now, so that your slave masters in the north will respect you. That is the reason why you are jumping like monkey. I salute my Esan people. I salute my Esan people. You can't buy Edo people this time. Let them decide. If Edo people say no, Obaseki go, no problem. Me, I will forever be proud that I support Obaseki. I'm telling you, I will forever be proud. Because I know I am in the right side of history. What is happening in Edo is not ordinary. We are making history there. What the people of the Lagosians could not do is what we are trying to do now. Look at all our brothers in diaspora. It has never happened before. It has never happened like this before. Everybody inside Edo, a nation land, they were booing Oshiomhole. You all saw the video. They were booing him, leaning down everywhere. They will tell you the fight is not between Oshiomhole and the governor. No, the fight is between Oshiomhole and the governor. The governor said it himself. The fight is between the governor and Captain Osa. If you don't know your enemy, it means you are finished. We know our enemy. Obaseki knows his enemy. We know our enemy. Don't see that. The Modola refinery. Let's talk about it. He said everything Obaseki is doing is only on paper. Let's call it audio performance. No, Obaseki performance is not audio. We are seeing. We are not blind. Look at you that is fighting Obaseki. You are getting a smaller every day. You look hungry, a billionaire. How are you doing now? How are you doing now? Go and ask Matthew Doyekeme of Amagba. All those are my father's boy. When they will come and say, Baba, the politics, Matthew Doyekeme, tell him, go and ask. My father said, All those come and fool yourself for politics. No, that is more than that. My father is not even, when you talk about money, you can't even compare with, they say you are billionaire. Then what are you fooling yourself for? What are you really fooling yourself for? What are you really fooling yourself for? You have made it in life. What did you want? What did you want exactly? That you are, look at you. You are looking hungry. You look tiny. Reducing every day. That you have to call press conference against a sitting governor. And you know this man is good. Just you people see him as greedy. Fine. He's greedy. But he's good. He brought sanity to Edo State government. Nobody can say our governor is any other person. He's behaving like Kagbo. He's always a gentleman. Oh, you are not saying now he's stealing Edo State money like that. All these things you are saying concerning the governor is just propaganda, just to spoil his name. You know the governor is completely a gentleman. He's a gentleman. You know, you that is fighting him now, you know that a governor is not the kind of governor you can go and meet and say it is Edo State money, let's share it. Obaseki cannot, you can't call Obaseki for that. Obaseki is not going to be a governor. We need people like Obaseki as president and vice president. Why we need ya? Captain Osa, Captain Osa, he can't represent us in any way. This is the only man who can represent Edo, the interest of Edo. After 4 years, he can be president, can be senate president. He can be. They will call him for a better position. Not a representative here, Duani. Why the honey one in another? After governor, what will is a Yamu be? If Yamu can be governor today, after governor, people, the man that have ESCC 700 million on his neck. Oh, Shomole said he's a thief. It's only this governor, any stain, any record is too clean. If you do Wagimalu and wine, you say Yamu a bad name already. Because Buhari, a party is in power. Also, only has a contest. Also, he has a contest as a governor. A country in Neredo Managba. Is a Yamu a contester. A country in Neredo people, a country where people are really, where people are doing a normal thing. Like a country where human being lives. Let me use that word. Oshomole cannot come and be talking again. By now, people should be slapping. You should be slapping Oshomole. How can you tell Edo people 4 years ago this man is a criminal? Is this? Is that? When they're going to attack me, man, it is all political. And the Desmond Elliott will be coming to Edo. You are still be talking. You will still be talking. Don't you have brain? Let's do things right. Let's hold all these politicians accountable to whatever they are doing to us. I mean, what time 4 years ago, that thing you said, this man is bad, you can't come. No, Nigeria is a mess. No, you said it, this man is a criminal 4 years ago, you can't come again. No. That stupid talk, keep it. Oh yeah, go. That's the only way we can clear this nonsense. Not listening to him again. And you said you want change. Let's hold this politician. Whatever they say now, use it against them. What this man, Desmond Elliott, what he's saying now, we will use it against him in future. You were saying that you are a product of Godfatherism. The young generation will come and ask you what you mean by you are a product of Godfatherism. Oshomole himself said, for Edo State to progress, it is not me that is making it up. I will share this video before. For Edo State, he said, don't remember me as a governor that I ruled. Don't remember me as a governor that brought a red roof. Remember me as a governor who killed and buried Godfatherism. That's what he said. I'm not those in the house you know now. Now he's the one telling us all those things he said was political. And people are clapping. Let me tell you, it's not because of Obaseki. If you bring Chris Man or Meme, if PDP bring Omeme now, Chris Man as PDP candidate, I will vote for that Omeme. I'm telling you, pride, at least. No, you can't, I'm not, you tell me this one 4 years ago. And we know that Nigeria is finished. Nigeria is a fucked up country where they just say anything, they don't do it. Politicians will come and tell you can boost story. Buhari will tell you I'll change. I will do this. I'll build refinery every year. No. They are killing Obaseki. Obaseki bad. Hey, don't do this. He never do that. You have to go. If they should judge with your performance, it is your performance that give you second term. Buhari will not be viable. Buhari will not be there. Buhari will not be there. If it is by your performer that give you second term, Yaya Bello will not be there. If it is by performer that give you second time, Ganduje will not be there. I want to know this discipline man, Obaseki, you want to kick him out? No, let him stay. Some idiot, they are talking about, he betrayed Edo. Who betrayed Edo? They said, Obaseki betrayed Edo. Who? It's like you want to tell me at the bar. The other day here, those confused people. That Obaseki, Papa, I said, is it Obaseki that betrayed Edo? He said, no. Isn't Obaseki Papa? He said, you are telling me what my great-grandfather did. You want to use it against me. Is it Agbon Emeria? What my great-great-father did 130 years ago, use it against me. You want to use, if there should be, then what your great-grandfather did, you will die for it too. If, for instance, you want to use the Obaseki, don't worry, all the sins of your great-great-great-grandfather, you will die for it too. Look, every man are for himself. Even what my father did wrong, don't use it against me. I am me. This is me, not my father. You don't suppose. It is my father's sin. If my father commit any sin, my father will tell God, will answer to God. It's not my problem. Don't use it on talk less of my great. When we are telling when these things you are talking about happen in the even Obaseki Papa were not even born yet. Obaseki Papa was not even born yet. They are talking about over 100, is it not 120 or whatever? Obaseki Papa himself was not even born yet. Or maybe Obaseki grandfather was not even born yet. That was Obaseki. All those are nonsense. I don't know why you people just say things that don't follow. All those kind of nonsense talk don't follow. I'ma follow, man. I'ma follow. When my father did, you want to use it again. Why would you use what my father? Not even my father. Not even my grandfather. Hey, my great grandfather, I don't even know who lived 100 something years ago. Hey, people funny sharp. Then let's talk about the modular refinery. Is that also on paper? Because those are the things he said. He said it's all on paper. The modular refinery, is it also on paper alone? Is it also on paper alone? Let us ask Captain Osa. The modular refinery, is it also on paper? This modular refinery was inspected by the federal government. Federal government sent delegates to Benin, to Edo. They sent delegate to Edo. Is it also on paper alone? Because the federal government that inspected it. The federal government, they came. They showed it on Channels TV. The Channel TV, we are saying that is working for APC. We accuse them that they are biased. The governor is in PDP now. The same Channel TV televised it. The federal government sent delegate to inspect it in Edo, the modular refinery. The picture is everywhere. The picture is everywhere. And still you are telling me everything is on paper. What is on paper? What do you mean on paper? That you spend your last kobo to make sure you remove Obaseki from power. There you go. You think it's everything? Also, not be most of your money. There you go, Emiya. You go, Emiya. You got Obaseki where Osomole Botisan. It's some. My some people. This are all you. May God bless you people. May God continue to bless you some people. Because I know there are still some bad ones inside. Don't worry. Those ones, we'll pray for them to change. They were booing Osomole there. Because let him know all those things you did to them. You will suffer it. There is time when I be result, I be exam now a result. Osomole, this is your result. All those insults, you were insulting those insulting traditional rulers, suspending traditional rulers. You know what happened when you suspend that royal father? And you suspend the traditional rulers. You a tailor. Somebody helped you become a governor. You began to behave. Look at your house. Look at your house. Your palace is the biggest, the finest in West Africa. How much were your salary, Osomole? Because on Obaseki Nagwa, you are lucky. Not people like us. People like if I'm the governor. We will not even talk. We will rack. Me and you will go fight. When I'm gone, when I remember me, saying that governor will the rack. I will rack. You, the other day, when Edo House of Assembly, when you were the governor, Edo House of Assembly, most of the people there were APC lovers. I mean PDP lovers. They were fighting you somehow. What did you do? You removed the roof. You said they should come to Governor House to come and be doing their work there, so that you would be there with them. No, heaven did not fall. So much, but when it comes to Obaseki time, it become a crime. It become a crime. It become a crime. We will continue to tell our people we will not rest, because what we are doing now, we are making history in Edo. We are making history in Edo. We are making history in Edo. Other people will learn. Look at the other day in Imo State. They make this. They make somebody that took 4th position. They make him a governor in Imo State. In Imo State, somebody that took the 4th position, they make him the governor. Who's to blame? Tell me, who's to blame? Is it not the Imo State people? It is Imo State people. Stand for your right. Tell them no. How can you, even though if the person, how can you make the person that took 4th position the first? Because you have because the political party is the one in power. We are going to show to the rest state, especially Lagos, the time Tinubu kept you people in bondage. The time you for 21 years now you have been in Tinubu bondage. Liberate yourself now. Abba. You tell me now one man go bring, now you go choose your governor. Now who in support go be governor? Who in support go be senate? This kind of life will not day for Lagos. I don't understand. This kind of life be down now. No. When if Obaseki wins, when the time come, I trust Obaseki now. Hey, so Obaseki go win. Later I go call the say now this one I go must win. Enough you try that one for where we for all this suffer we will suffer now. When your time reach, you want to come be the godfather at that time. Now we go talk now. We go talk. So godfatherism, we must kick over and bury it. And bury it for once and for all. Other states must learn from us. I pray other states must learn from us. My family, they are my own family. These people, my own family, they don't get time. And let them be in their politics. But me, I must do my own, because I know what is right to stand and fight for Obaseki. I don't know Obaseki in person. I don't know him, and I don't care to know him. But the truth, I'm not fighting for him. Fighting for the Edo. What we are doing. Now you that is listening to me and you, all of you here, we are all fighting for him. I know. Let us not deceive ourselves. All this is not one man fight. We all are fighting for him. We all are praying for him. I know. May God bless every one of us. All the Edos here, I know. We all have. Almost, we in diaspora, we know ourselves. Obaseki is the right man. We must fight for him. It's our responsibility to fight for him. Not because of, some people are saying, you don't say thank you, you never do this. Forget. God will do the thank you. Don't wait for Obaseki to do that. He can't thank everybody. Me, I say thank you. Let us fight for Obaseki. Not for Obaseki. Fight to kick off that reason Edo. We all know what Edo people pass through in the hands of this Agberu. They can come back. Let them wait small. Obaseki Muedoriwa. Obaseki will not rule and carry Edo State. He will rule and leave Edo. If you don't chop today, you will chop tomorrow. If you don't get, must you work in every government? Must you work? Me, I work. Are we not Edo? Me, I'm from Obilaka. Just like you are from Ogbe. You that all those Kabaka boys that is shouting up and down. You are from, I'm even, Ogbe is even, Ogbelaka is even more closer to the palace than your own. I'm from Ogbelaka. So we are all Edos. You have been working under government. You work in every government. So if you don't work under Obaseki and everyone will fall. That guy forget. Channels TV televise it. They televise this modular refinery that Obaseki is building now. The light, we will get the light. Obaseki, I trust Obaseki. I trust that Obaseki will do something when after his 8 years, people will remember him. I say this man is a disciplined man. He can be president, can be Senate president. This kind of person, he have a clean record. You remember when he was still in APC, Buhari always follow Buhari to, because he knows that man is big brain. He has something in his brain. Why would Obaseki steal money? Do you think Obaseki believe in you must be a billionaire, you must die for money? People that is fighting for Obaseki in Benin, they are saying, they are just fighting, not that they are even gaining anything from it. They are saying it. Now these things, you see him doing, crying every day, doing Obaseki must, you think, Obaseki is giving them millions. You say, no. That's Obaseki life for you. And I love it. Look, it's for government. Oh, you can't work for, it's for government. Government house is not where you come and be saying like I did the money, everybody, they will give you people tickets. Go to any filling station, go and fill your tank. Oshiomhole bought over 153 Prado Jeep in his time. 153 Prado Jeep. You know those Jeep, those Jeep, all those government officials are using. Needy ones, they will be sharing it. This man, 4 years, only 2. The one he is using, because he was using Obaseki Jeep for 2-3 years. When they realized, okay, it is election time, you have to buy new one. The man had changed his car. You want to remove him? No, let him be there. Then say, oh, he's stealing the money for himself. That is, let him steal for himself, not for everybody. Now, the time everybody steal, that time has passed. How much will he steal? Come and prove it. Come and prove it. I like Obaseki. I like his way. At least we must have a governor that who don't behave like, who don't do gra-gra. Let gentleman do his own thing. He's a gentleman to me. Must everybody do gra-gra? Must everybody behave? Hey, just don't take money, kill and divide. You take 3 million, you take 5 million. Look at the people fighting him. Look at the people fighting him. Look, we know them. Look at the people fighting him. Look at this set of people fighting him. We don't know why Captain Osa is making all this noise now. We know the reason why he's making all this noise. He accused the governor that he have 600 children, that he locked them inside the room. They are the one promoting lies and propaganda for him. That he locked 600 people, youth, inside the room. He will give them laptop or iPad or phone to be, telling the world he's working his work. Can you imagine that this governor will lock 600? I am not the one that is saying this. He said it, Captain Osa, that he locked 600 children or people or youth inside one room. They are the people that is propagating lies for him. Can you imagine? Can you imagine this governor? Why would you lock up 600? 600 people. 600. When he was saying all these things, I was looking at him. And this man, they call him billionaire. What are you doing all this stressing yourself for? That you have never come out like this before. We have been having election in Edo. You have never come out like, why now? Why now? You are not you are not even the one that is running against Obaseki. Why? That means there must be something you guys are stealing. Obaseki deprive you of. There must be something Obaseki say no to. It has never happened like this that Captain Osa will be making video telling Edo people not to vote. Sorry. Making video telling Edo people not to vote for governor re-election. It has never happened before. What is going on? And look at what is coming out from your mouth. That he lock up 600 people that is propagating lies for him. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? So my Edo people, we must continue to fight for Obaseki. We must continue to fight for Obaseki because this is the government. This is the government. Adamu Shomole, Captain Osa, Kabaka, the Lagos landlord Tinubu, and Ize Yamu will never forget for the rest of their life. This Edo government is the government these people I just mentioned their name will never forget. Is death with them. And this is what that makes people like me happy. Tell these godfathers, these people thinks they host Nigeria, that somebody can cause them pain. Somebody can do things that they will be running etasketa. Somebody can challenge them. Governor Godwin Nogayasa Obaseki. That woman, the former governor of Lagos State, Ambody, by now, I believe he will be praying for you. That woman, that former governor, he will be praying for Obaseki. If I didn't know, I would have do it Obaseki's way. No man is God. Edo is not a private property to anybody. Because in that same Edo, Demaneni, we kick all these people out. And we gave the power to Shomole. We back to Shomole. Edo muevuvu. Edo muevuvu. Shomole, Edo people stood by you. Edo, wait, let me show you people something. You see, this election, the vote, listen very carefully. The vote. Let me show you people something. This is a fact. Let me show you people something. The vote that is coming from Edo, the vote that is coming from Eshaland, the vote that is coming from Aonshi, Edo North. Now, in this election, Edo South, the vote that is coming from Edo South in this election is 1.2 million. 1.2 million. The vote that is coming from Edo Central, 220,000. 220,000. The vote that is coming from Edo North will be 570,000. 570,000, I repeat. The vote that is coming from Edo South, it will be 1.2 million. 1.2 million votes. The vote that is coming from Edo Central will be 220,000 votes. 220,000 votes. The vote that will be coming from Edo North will be 570,000 votes. And they said 400 something thousand is still there. They are still waiting for people to come and, that's the people that is the vote. The vote that is going to vote in this coming election. You see, when I say Edo, the vote that is coming from Edo South, Edo South is a mix. Everybody are there, everybody are there. So, what am I saying is, when Oshomole was the governor, we all stood by him. Edo stood by him, and he can't forget. We insulted our own for him. We almost killed our own for him. Musicians will sing and insult our own. People will swear and insult our own for him. All musicians in the all of them sang and sing praise of Oshomole. Then we have Obaseki, who is not stealing money. That is the reason why I respect Philip Shaibu. He said he will not betray his master. And may God continue to bless Philip Shaibu. In Iyamo, Oshomole hometown, when a sitting governor last year traveled to Iyamo, he went to that university. Area boys attacked him. You saw the video. Those area boys, they were warning the governor. Hi. Warning the governor, a sitting governor. Till today, it pains my heart. Because I know what we sacrifice for their son. There are reasons why I'm saying this. Is Oshomole is the way Oshomole is behaving now is not the right way. We sacrifice. How can you do that to our son? We even insult our own sons, daughters for Oshomole. But when the governor traveled there, people from Oshomole village, his own people, not everybody, they were insulting. How can you block the governor's way? And you see some boys were doing him like a governor. And they lied and say it was that. It is not fair. It is not fair. Because we know what to sacrifice for Oshomole. You don't treat somebody. You cannot treat somebody. How can you treat a man, a sitting governor like that? Because he had misunderstanding with Oshomole. Oshomole had misunderstanding with the people who brought him to power. Igbenedion brought Oshomole to power. They brought him to power. They used Igbenedion. Then they could not advertise Oshomole with Edo Broadcasting Service. They were advertising, promoting Oshomole with ITV, Igbenedion Television. In Abuja, they almost shut the television station down because of Oshomole. When Oshomole became the governor, he was insulting the owner of that television. It is what you sow in life, you reap. All the people that brought Oshomole to power, are they not enemies today? What is happening to him now? It is what Oshomole deserves. You people will be saying, oh, he betrayed Oshomole, Oshomole making this, making that. People make Buhari president. It is people that make Jonathan president. It is people that make even Obasanjo president. People make Osinbajo the vice president now. Oshomole was a tailor. It was during the time of Obasanjo. Is it not Obasanjo that makes him a labor leader? You must get help to grow. Somebody must give you, must elevate you. Now ladder. You hold my ladder for me to climb. I hold your ladder for you to climb. Then you were insulting everybody. It was this same Igbenedion who sponsor, who financed Oshomole's campaign. Oshomole was a poor man. He rented one flat in Nedu. The truth is what I will always tell you. The truth is what I will always tell you. This government, they will forever remember this man. Remember this government. They will forever. They see the reaction of us, we that are living in diaspora, and those in diaspora. They see it has. I said this has never happened like this before. And those are showing their solidarity. People are wearing, it is jersey now, wearing Obaseki jersey. You think they are giving these people money? It is not money. It's not, me that is talking here. I went to the studio, I did a song. I will play that song before I end this program. For Obaseki. They see it is like a revolution. We are making history in Edo. The Lagosians should learn from us. It is time for you to retire your godfather or Tinubu Bulenvaman. You want to be president. We are waiting for him. This is a man that have never in any way come out and criticized Buhari in anything. Look at Buhari just increased fuel pump now. He have never in any way come out and say, I defend the masses. And we want to hand over power to these people who support every policy. Buhari policy. He never, look at Buhari just increase this thing now. A people will not come out and just pretend and say, I am on the masses side though. And by 2023, it will be 72. It will be 72 years. You want to give another 72 years old man, a Bulenfon man, a president? We are waiting for them. We are waiting for them. It go tough. May God keep us alive. It go tough. It go tough. When he said he lock up 700 people, that is the reason why those are the people that is propagating lies for Obaseki. A lie. When they saw the reaction of their those in diaspora, the reaction of those in diaspora, it shocked them, and we will shock them that day. It shocked them. What? It has never. We love Oshiomhole. Oshiomhole did some fantastic things in Edo because the government, the PDP government, then they messed up. They think power will just remain in their hands, you know. Oshiomhole came and do some fantastic things. But it has this revolution, this love. People are showering now on Obaseki. People don't do this. They don't know. During Oshiomhole time, it wasn't like this. It wasn't like this. It shocked them the way people are showing their solidarity. Nobody pay us. Nobody pay anybody. We have seen Obaseki good work. People have seen Obaseki good work. That's the reason why we are showing our solidarity. We will support Obaseki. Me, I will support Obaseki totality. Like I said, after this election, even though you win or you lose, I will be proud that I was on Obaseki's side. Because who lose today go win another day. I will forever be proud that the side I support, Obaseki is my man. It's my man. We will shock them. We will shock them that day. We will shock them that day. We will continue. We will continue to call our family at home, to support, to vote for good governance. Vote for Obaseki. Vote for good governance. Don't let these people deceive you. Vote for good governance. Look at Captain Osa, a millionaire. Instead of him to be robusting every day, he's getting tiny. Every yagba origbe. Owibo edere. Yagba origbe no semi-politics here. Semi-politics here. Ato agbo yoma awulele. Ato agbo yoma awulele. Semi-politics here. Edos. We are making history in Edo. It is only a fool. It is only a fool. It's only a fool that will be saying, that will be criticizing Obaseki. It's only the blind that will be criticizing. What are they criticizing Obaseki for? For these people? I don't understand. Let's talk about the political party. This APC as a party, if not the people, some good people inside, is that a party? Oh, can you say APC have led Nigeria to people are satisfied with APC in general? I'm talking about APC government. People satisfied with what they are getting from this government? I don't even really know. What did you hate this man for? Because your APC good? I don't understand. What are you praising people for? Praising these people for? Because they give you light or what? Obaseki is one of a kind. Obaseki is one of a kind. Let us not exaggerate it. Obaseki will stay. Look at Captain Osa. They call him a dope billionaire. Looking sick. He looks sick. I hope it is not because of Governor Obaseki. I hope it is not because of Governor Obaseki. Don't worry yourself too much about Obaseki. Don't Don't worry yourself, Mr. Billionaire. Don't worry yourself about Obaseki popularity. Obaseki popularity is growing bigger every day. Adobo miyageji ma wese ma yae. Osomole mi uwe when I go on. Osomole don't sleep. Osomole when Osomole is in Benin, the winner will be va. When Osomole is in Benin, people will be hailing him left and right. People will be hailing him left and right when Osomole always whenever he's in Benin. Oh, you do it. Not sneak enter Benin and sneak out. It's not. He will not sneak. Oh, this problem, Edo problem, is none of your business. They said, oh, those honorables, they said no. It is Osomole tell them, oh, you will be the speaker. Because the governor say, I am the governor. I don't want this man to be the speaker. Because your plan, if you make PEM, we're not going to impeach him. The man was so smart, and he got, he have his own, his right-hand man, Philip Chaibu. Osomole, they want to be the one to select the speaker. You are the sitting governor. Nobody selects speaker for Osomole. Nobody selects speaker for Governor Igbinedion. Nobody select speaker, no. Now the man begin to do like a governor because he was so gentle. He begin to act like a governor. Can you select speaker when Tinubu was the governor? Can you select speaker for Wike? Mazuo, have idiot in all those idiots. They said no. And then I ran to Abuja to go and cry. Tell their Godfather, come beat Obaseki for me. God save una say no me be governor. Yeah. I don't care if I lose. Anyhow, why? I believe that I'm going. I'll try that. When Osomole was the governor, can you try it? When Osomole was the governor, somebody like Idris Abdulkarim will come and just be singing and insulting the governor. Can you go to Cross River, go to Wike State, or you go there, all those things you are doing, you do it when Wike is, you can try it. Can you sing that kind of song? Idris, go to Abuja and sing it. It's even the Fulani youth, they will burn you alive. Because of the governor is too gentle. Singing for. You want to sing for us, for Edo, to follow Osomole, who tell us this same man he is bringing now. He could not he could not find anybody to remove the governor. The same person said he is criminal. But not the reason. Not be as the day for my body. Some people will say, oh, wait till I go chop. Wait till I go chop. I fear now. This man, he could not find anybody to remove the governor. Now the same shit waiting for me. Una try. Now una try. I will support Obaseki till eternity. I will tell my children this is what happened. This was where I support this man like this. Una time. Behave like this. If we not begin to hold these politicians accountable to whatever they are telling us, you think Nigeria will change? Nigeria will change? Like Buhari now. All the things he promised us. Whenever he's in need of money, he go to China. If China refuse him, he high price. He will put hard to this, hard to that, so that we get the money to do all the money, all those billions. They said they are recovering from looters. Where is the money? So, if Buhari is leaving office, don't let Buhari hand over to his own political party. That's the way you punish people like that. Since you are failed, even though you try that political party, even though if it is possible, try the political party that hand over to them. All political party can produce good person today and produce bad. The way they were saying APC, we thought it is for angels. The way they were promoting APC then, we thought it's for angels. So all political party can produce good people. Obaseki is in PDP now. I never, to me, to say I will be defending somebody that is in PDP because of what they did in the past. But today, we are supporting the man or the political party. If the party nominate or bring somebody that have good character, then you follow. It doesn't matter the political party. They are all the same. It is the same Nigerians inside. That's the reason why I see some people that are saying they want country, they want to come their country, they want to divide Nigeria. Hey, we want this, we want that. I say, all this country you people are agitating for now, for instance, it's not the same people here that angels will come from heaven and make it is the same our people. So let us not kill ourselves over we want to call this country. Let's do it with brain. Let's do it with brain. It's the same me and you. If me and you cannot make Nigeria a better country, what hope if we divide this country will make the new country a better country? Forget. These are the things. That is the reason why we don't need to fight. We don't need to insult tribes. We don't need to insult people because it's a dream. You are saying something. You are saying, oh, it will be better. It's a dream. It's a promise. People promise and faith. So even God himself, Baba God sometimes he will promise you something, not go give you in time when the time when Baba God say go give you, not go give you. It happens in the Bible. You think God is always fair? God is not always fair. All these things sometimes that is happening. When something happens, you will be wondering, why these people they are getting these things? Me, I'm struggling. I'm not getting it. Maybe it is how God wants it. The Bible say God loved Jacob and ate Esau. The Bible. Why would God, Baba God, hate? And do you know who the Bible say Baba God hate? A small boy inside womb. They never born her. He dey inside. He never come out sin. No. He dey inside. Who put him there? Now say Baba God. So the thing they confuse you. So that is the reason why I take things easy in life. Oshomole is supposed to learn from these things. Person, you have been trying to kill this man. You have to destroy this man. And he keeps shining. Leave him. Maybe that's how God wants it. Leave him. Leave him now. Even if he will not be for 4 years. When he became the governor the other day, it's like yesterday to us. It is Obaseki is a threat to criminals. Obaseki is a threat to criminals. Me and you know Obaseki is a threat to criminals. The same Captain Osa, he have been drilling Edo State oil well money into his account. He knows. Me, I don't talk. I say, okay, it's my Edo man. I have never been governor or president. No need of talking, saying all these things. We just keep quiet. Now that he want to play politics, we begin to say these things. He want to play politics. Oh, yeah, come play politics. People do all kinds of things in politics. Say what they don't supposed to say. In politics. This same capitalist have been drilling Edo State oil well money into his account. Why is it that it's only the criminals in Edo, the Agbirus, they are the one complaining? Yet the good people of Edo State is happy. Why? The market women, they are happy. They know what they passed through when Oshomole was the governor in the hands of these Agbirus. They know. Because they know the moment Obaseki, although Obaseki election is sure, they know all of them will be in trouble. Oshomole know his political career is finished if Obaseki win. This Captain Osa know. Can he come and make a video? You never make a video and talk about politics like this. Why Obaseki? We all know Obaseki. Even though Obaseki, we know Obaseki is a nice guy. Obaseki is not that bad. Why did you want to... somebody that don't call a bad governor, like Lucky Igbenedion, still have second term, regardless of the one that is good. If you remove Obaseki, there's no hope. After all, we will just we will divide the country. We will just we'll carry arms and just fight and divide the country. Really, if they remove Obaseki, what is it? If they remove Obaseki, then there's no hope. Then we just divide the country and let everybody just give Oshomole his own country, give Captain Osa his own country, give me my own country too. If these people have their way, yes. It would have been better. Making all this video would have been better if Captain Osa himself, since he loves Edo, according to him, he loves Edo. Why can't him contest? It would have been better if he contest. Contest. You contest. If you love Edo, you want the best for Edo, then you contest against Obaseki. Contest against Obaseki. You are not running and you are sponsoring other people against the governor. Then there is something there. Not that you want to be governor. You say you spend your last kobo sponsoring somebody against the governor. Something is wrong somewhere. If you want the best for the Edo, then you contest. Obaseki is a threat to those criminals. It's a threat to those criminals. They are all fighting. They are all fighting for their stomach. They are all fighting for their stomach and for their talks. The people they call Edo tigers and lions. Carry those lions and tigers to your village. Take them to your village. There's a forest there. They say you don't give a shit about where you come from, your village. Hello? Hello? Good evening. Yeah, your name, please. Okay. Okay, but I'm online, you know.
Yes, brother. I know. I saw you online and I saw you on the live stream.
Okay. Okay, I'm talking about Edo politics.
Yes, actually I'm from Edo.
Okay.
I also want to clip you regarding what this Antiosa said. I'm going to spend his last cover to make sure that Obaseki did not win this upcoming election.
Yes.
I think what can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, I can hear you. Go ahead.
Yes, I see no reason why Antiosa would make such statements. Is it because he don't want Obaseki to complete his refinery, so that's why he's making such statement?
Exactly.
I think with the Edo youth, it's time. I think with the Edo youth, it's time for everyone to call our people at home so that we all can vote for Obaseki. Because a lot of people don't know what Obaseki is doing in those states. Obaseki, I'm looking at the eyes I'm using to look Obaseki. Governor Obaseki is the eyes of Ali and Ogbemudia.
Exactly.
After Ali and Ogbemudia, Obaseki is the governor at those states has ever produced.
Exactly.
But a lot of people don't know. They don't know until when their eyes get open. From there, they can be able to understand what Obaseki is trying to do in those states. So this Captain Oster statement is because he has a refinery. He don't want the state to have a refinery. That's why he's trying to say he can stop Obaseki for not winning this election.
We know now exactly, but he will not allow that to happen. They just want to kick him out.
Never, it can never.
It will not happen because when they kick Ali out, then we all regretted it. Ali was one of the best. We all regretted it. Now when they kick Jonathan out, I'm not saying Jonathan is a saint too. But what I'm saying, but somebody worse than Jonathan. But what is someone worse than Jonathan? We are all regretting it now. We would have choose a better person. But not that Jonathan was good. The same thing they are going to do in Edo now. You will kick him out, bring somebody that will be doing it, kill and divide. No, we will not allow that to happen.
I just pray that the Edo youth go open their eyes to what Obaseki is doing in Edo State. Because Agbero coming back again to Edo State is going to throw Edo State to another different thing. So what I'm saying is that Pastor Iya must relax and let Obaseki complete his 8 years. So Obaseki can complete his good work that he has started in Edo State.
Exactly.
I'm from Edo State and I'm campaigning for Obaseki and I'm going to call my friends, my family, I'll keep calling them. So I pray by special grace of God before my 3rd September, if I did not travel, I would do my level best to see how my friends, my loved ones, my family can vote for Godwin Obaseki.
Thank you.
Obaseki is who we want. He is man of the people.
And not to let that,
so,
my brother.
That's what I think.
Yeah, my brother, you said you are in Dubai, right?
I'm in Dubai, yes, I'm in Dubai.
Please, the Edos there. Any Edo sons and daughters, tell them it is Obaseki, so that people will call their families at home. Thank you very much, my brother. I really appreciate your calling.
I'm campaigning for Obaseki.
What is the name so that I store?
Thank you so much, my brother.
What is your name so that I store your number?
Yeah, my name is Fredo. My name is Fredo.
Okay, Fredo. I will.
Or you can save it as
I will save it. Don't worry, Fredo.
Yes, Fredo.
I like it. Thank you very much, my brother. I appreciate.
I'll be following you, my brother. Thank you for your good work. Keep it up. Okay. God bless, my brother.
Yeah. So that is it. These people, they know the reason why they want Obaseki out, and we will not allow that to happen. Edo, Edo is not one man, personal property. Edo is not one man personal property. Let Edo decide. If Edo don't want Obaseki, let them decide. Not Captain Osa. How can you say you spend your last couple to make sure you remove Obaseki? You don't have that power. Spend the money now. You don't have that power. You want Obaseki out because he compels you to pay the task. To pay the task, you have not been paying. Because he asks you to pay the task. The task you have not been paying. It is revolution now. Either you people like it or not. It's revolution now. Either you succeed or not. But you forever remember. You forever remember this government. You will forever remember this government. Captain Osa is supposed to be elder statesman. You are not supposed, involve yourself in a politics at all. Even though not to come out and say you side this, you are going to spend your last couple to make sure he wins. Mr. Captain, you and your lions and tiger, you guys are destroying Edo State. So take your lions and tiger to your village. Take them to your village. All the good things we are enjoying now in Edo. The Kada Plaza, Market Square, all these things built by the Igbine, because they said, Captain Osa, Edo son, Edo good son, Edo, tell me one thing you are benefiting. Apart from you will go to, maybe there is a birthday or birthday ceremony, or you will go there and be spraying for musician. Is that how to help Edo people? When it was Oshomole were insulting them, Igbinedion, what is his name? Akomanya did not come out and say you are insulting Edo son. Because you insult the one you like. You can come out and say you don't insult Edo son. Musicians, including him, they were all singing, insulting Igbinedion there. Abag Benenia, the Banwarin here where it's not good in insult Edo son. So my Edo people, thank you for today. I really thank you for today. Please, with the comments here, we know 90% of the comments here is for Obaseki. The Mahia must try, tell our papa, our mama at home. Let them vote. Let them vote for good governance. Let them vote for Obaseki. Obaseki is not just the project. Obaseki is the revolution now. Because if Obaseki, we can be proud and say Obaseki go and represent Edo. Represent the interest even of this. Can't you see whenever it was still in APC, but whenever South meeting, when they were trying to create South security force, when the Yorubas, the Southwest, create Amatekom, when the South governors came together to discuss if if the Fulani continue to terrorize their farmers, they will create their own South security force. Obaseki was the one who called for that meeting. Anytime they call for South development, anything about South. Oshomole always distinguish himself when you talk about, because today to him, all the South states, most of them are PDP then. He always claimed to be right. He always see opposition as the devil. Have you ever seen Oshomole? There is one guy here. I don't know if you are still listening to me. Have you ever seen Oshomole say anything to defend the South in Abuja? You know, we all know that what is happening in Nigeria, the North have the upper hand. We all know. Have you ever seen Oshomole be bold and say and defend the South? You guys don't know what Oshomole did to us. Them sacking Oshomole, it has never happened before. The president, his own president from APC, the national party of that political party will come from the North. It is not like that. If the president is from the North, the national chairman of that party is supposed to come from the South. Oshomole was the national chairman. What did he do then? They sacked him, they disgraced him. They disgraced him out of office. And Buhari now makes, Buhari always love his brother first, Fulani first. Now make a Fulani man a national chairman. It is a slap on our face. It is Oshomole who disgrace us. Because it's very important, the national chairman must come from the South, so that in 2023, the South will have a say. But with the way it is now, it is the North that owns everything. It is who they like. APC now, it is who they like, they will give the ticket to. They will always give the ticket to their boy. And it's not good for the South. Oshomole, removing Oshomole is not, it is, they remove us. Because APC will always give the ticket to their boy in the South. It's the power now. Like if a South man, somebody from the South is the national chairman, they have a say who the ticket will go to. But with the way it is now, it is the North everything. They will now look for their boy, somebody that will be loyal to them. So what Oshomole did to rob us, to rob the South. You guys don't know. It has never happened before that the president will come from this political party will produce the president, his region will produce the national chairman. Oshomole always disgrace us. Because whenever you call Oshomole, he must prove that he's too good. Can you see how we keep disgracing Daddy? They invited all of them. Call Oshomole. It is only when it is campaign time now. He must attack. It is opposition. Everything opposition. Thank God when they called them that conference in Abuja. He was trying to belittle them PDP there before we came out asking, preach what you preach. I mean, do what you preach. Practice what you preach. You are the one who brought this one man, one vote. Do we have one man, one vote in Nigeria now? But position bad, opposition bad. When you won that 2011 election, you went to Abuja to go and thank Jonathan. The same Jonathan you are insulting every day. He's bad. Ever since Buhari took over power, tell me any free and fair election in Nigeria. Tell me any free and fair election. Tell me any free and fair election. The election that brought Buhari back to power now, it was not even free and fair election. My brother, let us contribute and make history. Me, I'm trying. I even went to the studio. Let me play my song, self. The one I did.
Now we don't hear everything what the wounded civilian talk. Let us know what you think for comment section. So make I leave you now with this video. Make you also help us share it to friends and family. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.